All right, what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the DBXLE out today. All right guys, I got the DBXLE out. I've been doing a ton of tuning and testing on this thing. So quite a bit has changed since I last had it on the channel. So the biggest thing is I bought this motor, and this is a Hobby Star, forget the size, 56112, and it's a 980 kV. So it's a little bit higher kV, and I really was curious about trying that little bit higher kV. And I had the Mamba Monster X8S in there, and it really didn't want to run it. It was pulling 300 amps a few times, so it was right at the edge. Cut it out. It was cutting out a little bit. So I pulled the Max 5 that was in the Kraton 8S, put it in. I'm running a 16 tooth, and from the testing that I've done, that's working. The other thing is I upgraded the servo. This is a Amazon cheapo. It's an SPT. It's supposed to be for like robotics and stuff. 70 kilogram on 8.4 volt. It seems to be okay. We'll see how long it lasts. I might need to get adjustable links because it's slightly doesn't line up ever so slightly. So I might have to get adjustable links. And then I've busted a couple sets of knuckles since I put the DJI extenders on. So I went hot racing on the knuckles. They got this little carbon fiber here, which I just like the look of that. A little bit cheaper than a Vidavon, and it was, you know, readily available. So that's why I decided to do that. And it's windy. I've got the plastic ramps out because I don't want to kill this thing, at least not right away. So we're gonna see what we can do. So, you know, I didn't think the stock servo was bad, but I thought I'd give this a shot because it's pretty cheap and it's a little bit more torque. And in regards to the Mamba Monster X8S, it actually ran the stock motor pretty good. No complaints. I just was looking for a little bit more speed and power. And this setup, this setup's pretty ridiculous. Woo. All right, let's get in the backyard because it's all I can handle in the front yard here on the street. These aren't the best tires, stock tires, as everybody knows. Not a lot of grip, but I'm trying to get my most out of my money here, and I've put a lot of money into this truck as it is. Basically took all the stock electronics out. Wow. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that much response. It's the first time I'm jumping it with this system. And I'm not gonna jump a huge. I've got a whole lot of trucks to jump huge. And really, this isn't one of them. Wow. It's just so loud when it comes down. All right. I think we'll do one more here, and then I think we'll get into the backyard where I'm a little more comfortable jumping this thing. That was nice distance there. So I got the double ramp set up. Neighbor hasn't mowed their grass yet. It's really long. Wow, guys, this thing, I cannot imagine a max 4. I should probably get some temperature reading on this. I mean, this feels real close to 50. I mean, it's just moving. All right, we'll do a jump. I'll get a temp reading on it. Make sure I'm not overheating. Could go down in teeth. I'm at 16. Nice. All right, let's check temp. Doesn't feel hot at all. All right, ESC 92, 107, 120. All right, so we're still good. Oh, that was really bad. That was really, really bad. All right, let's check it out here. Yeah, did something on the back. Did it just pull this out? All right, I think it flexed so hard it just pulled it out. I'm gonna pull this boot off. It's destroyed anyway. I think that's what happened. Okay, so what I discovered is that this hub is now cracked right at the seam, which is the same thing that happened in the front. And I'm looking at this back one, it doesn't seem to be cracked yet. So, I don't know. I'm going to finish this bash out with it cracked, and then I'll swap over another stock one. And then I'll have to look into some aluminum hubs. This plastic that Losie's using, not good. Of course, I do have extra leverage on it with the extenders, but I haven't heard of a lot of people saying that's a problem. There we go. Whoa. You can see it spin right out on the grass there. I don't know if that's the truck or the ramp that's making that crazy noise every time I hit it. Could be the ramp. I think it is the ramp. That was nice. All right, now I'm having fun. For a big truck, it's moving good now. Nice. Sounded bad. That sounds good. Oh yeah, we got a busted fan blade. Have to get an aluminum case fan. It's not too hot. Motor's getting to 170. So that's getting warm. Oh yeah, that sounds great. Always the last one, right? All right, guys. I'm calling it. That's my revamped DBXLE. Still some more tuning to do. I don't know how much more I'm going to put of it on the channel, because I don't do anything crazy like giant jumps with it. Maybe if I take it to the park, I'll put it back on the channel, but if I'm just around here, I'm not going to bother. But I'm very happy with the power system. Just a couple minor things I got to deal with: the hubs, get an aluminum case fan for the Max 6, or Max 5 I should say. But overall, it's a pretty fun truck. I'm not going to get too dismayed about having a couple mild, kind of annoying little problems. So until next time, guys, catch you later.